I did forget. Family, when you are purchasing my pinhole glasses, and I did do a video of pinhole glasses. Look, family. Do y'all see the holes? You see, it's no special. Y'all see it? The holes. You see it? That's what help you see 2020. And I'm going to leave it there. You wear these 1 to 2 hours a day and that's it. Do not wear them all day. No, you can wear these sitting at the computer. Long as you look, family, I'm going to show you this right now. Like this is a screen protector that you put on your computer. You know, you better get your job to buy it. You put on your computer, you put on your laptop. You want to protect your eyes as much as possible. You want to protect your eyes as much as possible. Because I had took my eyes back. When I listened to Herbalist Creams, I'm going to take his eyes back. I was like, I'm going to take my eyes back. So I wore these. And I still take my eye wise. No matter what, family. I still take my eye wise. And that's what I need to go get. So I still go get my eye wise. I take these daily. Take it daily. I take it daily. Look, see, yours come like this. I normally have mine in jars sitting in the kitchen. I go one day, I got to show it. But it'd be like, oh, you got all that in your kitchen? Yeah, in the cabinet. So what I take daily. So I can make sure I have it. Because remember, these are really, I make all these for me. I make all these for me and have a basic so I can give the world because you need everything here, family. You do. A lot of us, when we get to of age, our eyes go bad. You need the eye wise. But I take these and I put these on my eyes and I do my business. And family, rules of thumb, do not try to drive. No. You wear these in the house. If you're at a park, you can wear it at the park. But you can't be walking all around fine because it messes up your peripheral vision. I'm saying to get mess up your peripheral vision, and you just won't see. You get hit with a ball or run into somebody, can't see a bike. Now know that this hinders you. Like when you're wearing these, you can't really tell the step. So don't try to step. All you're trying to look far and you're trying to look around. You know, you're just looking around. That's all you want to do, fam. That's all you want to do with these glasses. And they, if you really pay attention, they pulsate your eyes. You're going to feel your eyes like moving in and out. What your eyes is doing, you're massaging your eyes and making your eyes stronger. So everybody, don't sleep on these things. Y'all be seeing them on top of my head on videos. I wear them. These are my glasses. You know, I want to make sure that I'm strengthening my eyes no matter what. Yes, you can sun gaze, but be careful sun gazing because there's certain times of the day, wherever you are, it's a certain time. Always look at your weather. You know, your whatever you have, look at the weather channel, see the UV rays, and it'll tell you the safe time to do sun gazing. Tell you the safe time. But the best time to do it is sunset and sunrise. I'm just telling you, family, sunset and sunrise. That's the safest, the absolute safest time. You know, I'm just going to tell you. So that's why I'm always wearing my glasses. I wear them on purpose. Remember, we're taking our eyes back. We don't want to lose our organs. We don't want to lose our organs. We don't want to lose anything. Our glands are, we don't want to lose any part of this God body. You don't. This is your temple. The Bible is really telling you the book of your body. You know, a lot of people don't want it. I'm going to leave it there because I ain't going to get all into it. But with this also, like I said, take the eye wise, either if you like pills or the gel. I have both. It's up to you. Well, the pills or the liquid. I don't know why I say gel. Think about my shampoo. I mean my wash. But anyway, family, make sure you do eye exercise. I do have a specific video, but I'm just doing another one. I just got to refresh. You go up, down, side, you go around, you go all the way around. You got to do these exercises, family. Don't let somebody tell you because you're rolling your eyes. Roll your eyes, but roll them, you know, in the privacy of your own home. Do this when you brush your teeth. This is an exercise extra for you to brush your teeth. So I just want to make sure I get that. Make sure I get that. So, all right, family, I appreciate your purchase. If you have any other questions, hit me at support@verywisealternatives.com. Maybe I left some stuff out about the product that you missed, but always send me an email. Don't act like I'm not gonna respond, because I will respond. I respond to every email. I do. Even the crazy ones, even the crazy ones. So if you say I'm gonna commit suicide, I'm just gonna send you a phone number and say call them now. Because if you send me an email, you're gonna get an email back. You're gonna get a response back, or I would say I'm gonna talk about let me get it right. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to address your issue on a podcast, because that's what the podcast is. So I won't be saying the same thing over and over again. You see it on a podcast like, what? That's what you're doing? Yes. Because we can say things over and over and over and over again. No, this alleviates all of that. This is the questions, the answers. Go to my podcast. It'll answer everything. So don't think that I missed something. So with my glasses, family, know that you can, it's blue blockers and rays and stuff. So I want to make sure I put that in there. You need those for your computer as well. A lot of people don't realize how draining the computer is. And if we stay hydrated, stay hydrated. I ain't say overhydrated or underhydrated. If we stay hydrated with H3O2, that's freshly squeezed juice that you juiced, not somebody else, that you juiced. I'm not saying your mama, grandma, or whoever's in there, your husband, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, who freshly squeezed it. Because I keep saying you. If somebody freshly squeeze it, drink it all day and night. But if it comes from the store, I need you to dilute it with some water. You be like, I ain't no kid. Dilute it with some water, because you're drinking too much. And all you're doing is feeding the parasites. I'm like, you're doing too much. You're feeding the parasites. So, but there you have it, family. But all right. You guys have a wonderful day. Gratitude. And I appreciate you. I really do. All right, family. Bye.